Welcome back to episode 2 of Mastering Jetpack Compose. Today we will explore the most important building blocks of UI layouts in Compose: row, column, box, and LazyColumn. A row arranges items horizontally side by side. Here we have three items placed next to each other in a straight line. Rows are perfect for toolbars, profile sections, or any horizontal alignment.
Column arrange items vertically, one below the other. This is commonly used for stacking text, forms, or vertical menus. A box allows us to place items on top of each other. Think of it as a stack of layers. This is very useful for overlays, badges, or background images with text on top. A lazy column is used for long scrollable list of items. It only renders what's visible on the screen, making it very efficient. This is Compose version of Recycler View in class Android. Now that we understand the basic of these layouts, let us combine to build a practical UI, a profile card with an avatar name and description display inside a lazy column.
Let's open Android Studio and create a new Compose project. I will start by defining a simple data class called profile which holds a name, description, and image resources. This will represent each profile we want to display. Next, let's build our profile card composable. We will use a card component to give our profile a neat elevated look. Inside the card, we will use a row to place the profile picture and the text side by side. For the profile image, we use an image composable with a fixed size. Next to it, we'll use a column to arrange the name and description vertically. The name will be bold and slightly larger, while the description will be smaller and lighter in color. Now that we have a reusable profile card, let us display multiple profiles in a scrollable list. For this, we will use a LazyColumn. LazyColumn works just like a recycler view in a classical Android. It efficiently renders only the visible items. Each item in our list we will provide profile card. Finally, let's add some sample data and preview our UI. Here you can see a list of profiles with their picture, name and description. If we run this on the emulator, we got a clean scrollable list of profile cards. So in this demo, we combined row, column and LazyColumn to create a reusable profile card component and display multiple cards in a list. In the next episode, we will make our UI interactive by exploring state in Compose using remember and mutable state.